Hi, I'm Mr. Heng. This is video 3 for term 1, week 2. The topic that we are learning in this lecture is algebraic fraction. In this topic, we exclude partial fractions. Let's look at the example here. So you need to simplify the algebraic fraction. So 18x squared over 6x. You will check and see what are the common factor for numerator and denominator. Actually, by inspection, you know 18 divided by 6, you get 3. Then numerator have x squared, you cancel with x. So the answer immediately you can get is 3x. You may not have to do all these intermediate steps. So this is quite straightforward. Then the next example, you have 5 over 25 plus 15x. So look at the denominator. So it's quite obvious that the denominator has a common factor of 5. Therefore, you factorize 5 from the denominator, you have 5, then bracket 5 plus 3x. So the 5 from the numerator and denominator you cancel, you shall get the answer as 1 over 5 plus 3x. Next, try to simplify this. So you may pause the video for a minute or so and try to simplify this. Let's check your answer. So you notice that denominator, there is a common factor of 5. So you need to factorize 5 from both of the term and put the bracket x plus 2y. And now you shall cancel the 5 from the numerator and denominator. Then your final answer for this is just x over 5x plus 2y. So look at the next question, 4x over 3x squared plus x. Again, you look at the denominator. So you can only factorize x. Let's work out. Now check your answer. So when you factorize x from denominator, you shall get x bracket 3x plus 1. So the numerator and denominator has a common factor of x. You cancel the x, that will give you the simplified fractions of 4 over 3x plus 1. Now, this is even easier. You need not have to do any factorization. It is so obvious that you can just cancel the bracket x minus 1 from the both the numerator and denominator. So the answer should be just 2 over x plus 3. Here, you see x minus 4 and denominator is x minus 4 square. You may break the x minus 4 square into 2 brackets, and you shall cancel x minus 4 from the numerator as well as the denominator, giving you the final answer of just 1 over x minus 4. Here, you have a quadratic expression in the denominator. I'm sure you know how to factorize the quadratic expressions in the denominator. So you factorize the denominator, you shall get x plus 2 and x plus 1. So you can cancel the x plus 2 from both the numerator and denominator. Therefore, your answer is just 1 over x plus 1. Try to do these two questions, part A and part B, on your own. Let's check your answer. So part A, for numerator, you factorize x. Denominator also you factorize x. Then you cancel the x from both numerator and denominator. That will give you 3 plus y over 5 plus x. For part B, x squared minus 1, if you notice or remember, this is different of 2 square. You can factorize x squared minus 1, you get bracket x plus 1 times x minus 1. And denominator, the quadratic expression, when you factorize, you will get x plus 1 bracket x plus 2. So again, you cancel the same common factors of x plus 1 from both numerator and denominator. Your final answer is x minus 1 over x plus 2. Here are some of the exercises that you may try. Of course, as like before, you need not have to do every one of them. Choose some and try and work out. These are some more questions. So perhaps you just do a few from each questions. So here there are more. All right. So try whatever questions that you think unfamiliar. Those that you can solve mentally, you need not have to do them. This is another set of questions. And here is the last few questions. So do find time to work out to solve all these questions. Thank you, class. That is the end of the lectures.